Hi everyone. Today we're going to go through the steps of how to register for a class in the Faculty of Arts. So to begin, you're just going to go to your internet. You're going to type in MyUNB, and it's the first result, and this will bring you to your MyUNB SharePoint. So from here, this is what it looks like. You're going to go up to the top left corner where it says MyUNB, and you're going to click right here where it says I am ... We're going to scroll down and we're going to click Student. That will bring you to this page. From here, you scroll down until you see the Academics heading. Now, under this heading, Academics, you're going to click Student Planning and Registration. Now, this will bring you to your timetable. From here, you're going to go to the Graduation Cap and Course Catalog. These are all of our available subjects, so you can find the subject that you're looking for. I am going to look for arts, for instance, arts 1023, so that's what we're going to find. So we're going to click arts, we're going to go down to arts 1023. Any course that is being offered in the coming semester will have a view available sections bar underneath it. If it does not have the view available sections bar, that means it's not being offered and you will be unable to register for it. So once we decide on which class we're going to take, we see winter 2023, and we see it being offered in winter 2024. So what we're going to do is find the time slot that works for you, and we're going to add section to schedule. Sometimes if the course is full, you will get a little pop-up. So we'll scroll down. Right here, you can see that there's still room. There's 3 seats available, so we'll register for this one. So it's been planned on my schedule. So now, when in doubt, go back to the graduation hat, Academics. We're going to click Student Planning and Registration, and we're going to click Plan and Schedule. So from there, you can decide on which term you're planning your courses for, and you can review your personal timetable. So if any of your courses conflict with one another, they'll be in red. If there are no conflicts, they'll be in beige. So as you can see here, we have Psych, Arts 1023, Anthropology, and a History. If there is a conflict, all you have to do is choose a different section for one of the 2 classes. If there is no other available sections, we may have to find you a different class. So as soon as everything is beige, this is what it will look like. On the left-hand side, you'll have a register button. So as soon as you click this register button, everything that you successfully register for will turn green. So as soon as it turns green, that means you're all good. And that means all you have to do is rest and relax until your semester starts in the fall.